to be here. Hey, we are at the Runaway Railway with Mickey Mouse at Hollywood Studios. So
Also Minnie.
So we're gonna go on this ride for the first time. Check it out. So let's get in there and have some fun. What do you think?
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be awesome. It's a 2-hour wait, but it's all about Mickey Mouse, so we're gonna do it.
Little snack. Hey buddy, I don't have any more for you. I'll get a picture of you though.
This is just all the cartoons, right? Mickey Mouse cartoons. And you've seen the one with Potato Land.
I don't think so. I have seen the one with the yellow.
Yeah. So a little bit of a cartoon pre-show.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend the day in the countryside.
Hiya, folks. Too late. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sounds like a lot of paperwork, but I guess I can do that, Goof.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
That was cool.
Far out. Wow, we didn't expect that to happen, did we?
Welcome to Runaway Park.
Wow.
Hola pasajeros. Durante nuestro viaje en tren, para su seguridad, mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de sus coches.
The big train. Train to keep on coming.
Alrighty, all aboard. Step right on in. Watch that big step down into the train car. Be sure to hang on to any ass glasses or ears.
There he is. He's right there.
Wait, what could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! Wait! Oh, I didn't fall! Oh no! Let's get that runaway train!
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are!
Up there!
moving. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
He's back that way.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Right, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong. What's this lever do?
I sat in the right
We
seat.
are
I'm
back in
getting
the
all
car. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see.
What'd you think, huh? Pretty awesome. That was pretty great, I have to admit. And I love the exit. The way that we went into the ride was awesome.
Happy birthday, Mickey.
So that was Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Definitely worth checking out if you get down to Hollywood Studios. It was longer than I thought and the wait wasn't that bad. So anyway, we're gonna head over and do a few other things on our stay here at Disney World. Upload something cool to watch. If you'd like to see, please subscribe and have a most rocking day.
Thank you so much. Nice to see you. How you doing? Welcome to Hollywood. Happy you're here.